Them, the Kern River Angels, and they are the best people because this place was so gross before they came in and fixed it, and they reconstructed all the hot tubs to like almost original to how they used to be. There she is, filling up. Slippery. Oh, super cool. So here's the sign for about the Kern River, the boat launch, parking only, camping here. There's Hobo. See, then these are all the spots for doing the boat, you know, for rafting. Your own risk. It's beautiful. what else? Yeah, I've been talking to one of the angels here that's helped build this hot springs for the 4th time. This is the 4th time they built it, I guess. So yeah, and they just done a beautiful job that really nobody can mess it. They all have plugs. They all can be drained. They all can be scrubbed clean. All the stones in this is all from here, all mined from Kern County. Every one of them, like I'm in a tub that actually doesn't have many, but the next tub I go into maybe, well, that right behind me, you see, and then the one down way below here, let's see if you see it. That one down there is a super hot pool too, but then you could take a plunge, which I've already did. I gotta go swimming in the Kern River. Look at my dog. I call him doing a butthole. He's gonna put his butt in it right after he's done. Whew. I get so sweaty here, my glasses just...
It's mostly the vine. But yeah, so they call this the medicine of the spiritual warrior, because what it does is it completely grounds you. That's tobacco, Pacha Mama. And also, tobacco could be used to kind of eliminate negative energies. It's one of those main things. So like the intention behind this kind of thing.
I'll fly right out of my old house and then I'll fly down this canyon as fast as I can and flip around and come back. I do it every day. And we're going to see that too out where we're going. I guess there's a military base right there. Someone found, like, they were out there at Rock Alley and they found a little missile. It said U.S. Army on it. And it was this big. I know, I'll take it. It's so cool. So cool.
Man, this is the bomb.
I know. Even like they said they took it. It was like so flipping cool.
It's kind of scary though.
It was used, but it was like it was a little rocket. It was like
last time I was here, and the water was like flowing up to the edge of all the pools.
Yeah, this is the lowest. Well, they have it because of the dam. The dam they're working on. The dam down. Yeah.
I think it was more winter too, so there was all the actual runoff from all the snow and everything. And
we actually, yeah. Well, they get it pretty good right now because of the runoff from the snow.
When I was,
there's just no snow right now.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
When I went, it was when I was going to Mammoth.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
So it was like super snowy.